Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to download Oracle database.
Welcome to our Oracle channel. Our Oracle SQL and Procedural SQL courses. A comprehensive guide designed for individuals eager to master the art of database management and data analysis using Oracle's powerful tools. This course is your gateway to becoming proficient in Oracle database, offering an in-depth exploration of SQL, Procedural SQL, Toad, and SQL Plus, and SQL developer tools. Whether you are a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or a seasoned professional looking to enhance your skills, our tutorial charts to all levels of expertise. Oracle Database is a multi-model database management system produced and marked by Oracle Corporation. This database commonly used for running online transaction processes, OLTP, data warehousing, DW, and mixed OLTP and DW. Database workload. Oracle Database is known for its robust readability and scalability, makes it a popular choice for enterprise-level application and SQL. These key features of Oracle database included below. So you further, and as you listen, we show you how you can download. We have profiled already the requirements that you need before you download Oracle and install it. So today we are showing you how you can download it and the link. Let's walk you through.
The link to download Oracle database is displayed on the screen. This is the download page to download Oracle Database XE. As of the time I'm recording this video, the current version is Oracle Database 21C Express Edition. So there are 3 links here for download. So you download the link relevant to your operating system. If you're using a Linux-based system, then download from the link that says Linux. I've got a Windows computer, so I'm going to click for the link that says Windows 64. So I click on it. The download has started. You can see the download on the bottom left-hand corner of my screen. It's a fairly large download. It's 1.8 gigabyte in size, so it may take a while to download. The downloaded file is going to be in a zipped format. So you can see here it's got .zip, which means the files are going to be compacted. So you will need to extract the files using a software extraction tool. The icon you can see here in the download is for WinRAR. WinRAR is a software extraction tool that you can install and then use that to unzip any software that contains a zip file. If you have not got any software extraction tool on your computer, you can do a search for WinRAR on Google and then just click on the download WinRAR link here. From the download page for WinRAR, you can just download the relevant link and then install it. And that will enable you to extract the content of the Oracle database file. The download has completed, so this is a completed download. Usually it will download it to your downloads folder. So this is my downloads folder, and you can see this is the downloaded file. It's a zipped file, so that means the content is compacted, so I'll need to extract it. And I'm going to extract it using WinRAR. This is the icon for WinRAR. I've already got WinRAR installed on my computer. I want to extract the downloaded file into a folder. So I'm going to create a folder in this directory. So I right click and select new folder. I'm going to call it Oracle Database. So I've created a new folder called Oracle Database, and I'm going to right click and copy the downloaded file into this new folder I created. I now have a copy of the downloaded file in this directory I created called Oracle Database. I'm going to go into the directory, and this is a copy of the file. So to extract the file, I'll right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract the content into the folder. So we'll give it a few minutes to complete that. The content of the file has been extracted. So this is the extracted content in this directory that I created. In this video, I downloaded Oracle Database and also extracted the content of the downloaded file.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that we'll keep updating you with everything you needed to know about Oracle database, its installation, and how to manipulate or use it for day-to-day activities as a data analyst, as a database management, as a database admin. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the bell button for you to get notified whenever we upload our new videos. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.